Thinking about using Surfshark VPN but don't want to pay full price? You might be asking, how can I use a Surfshark coupon code? Or what exactly is the Surfshark VPN coupon code? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to apply it, how to claim it inside the Surfshark app, and where to get the biggest Surfshark coupon code available right now. Before we dive into the discount, let's talk about why Surfshark is one of the best VPN out there. With Surfshark, you can unlock Netflix libraries worldwide, protect unlimited devices at once, and enjoy fast streaming with built-in antivirus and security features. No wonder so many Surfshark reviews call it one of the top VPN for 2025. So, how to get a Surfshark coupon code? Right now, Surfshark is running an exclusive deal, up to 89% off plus extra months free. That means instead of paying the full Surfshark cost, you're getting the best Surfshark deal at a fraction of the price. It works on long-term plans, so you lock in the lowest Surfshark price for years to come. Here's how to apply the Surfshark coupon code in the app or website. Step 1. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen. Step 2. Choose your VPN plan. Step 3. At checkout, the coupon applies automatically. No need to search for codes, just confirm payment, and you're ready to go. Now you might be wondering, how do I claim the Surfshark coupon code if it changes later? Simple. Surfshark updates their promo codes often, especially during Black Friday and holiday promotions. That's why using the link below guarantees you the latest Surfshark coupon code with the biggest discount available today. So don't wait. Grab your deal, protect your privacy, and enjoy unlimited streaming with one of the best VPNs. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code now to activate your Surfshark discount.